Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sign in to Gmail account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Well, first, you need to go to gmail.com. So type into your browser, gmail.com. Now once you go there, you're going to be on this landing page that probably looks like this, especially if you don't have an account or you're completely logged out of every account. So in the upper right, we're going to click on the sign in and then make sure that you're on this page, which is sign in, instead of creating an account. And so here we'll just type in our email. So for instance, I believe I have one that's sort of a YouTube email like this, and we can hit next. After that, we're going to enter our password. And so once we enter in our password, we should be able to hit next again, and it will sign us in. Now sometimes there's two-step verification set up, and so you might need to get a verification code sent to your phone number or your other email, or tap yes if you're logged in on a phone or tablet. So I'm going to send a verification code to my phone really quick, and then once it sends me that code, I'm going to just type it in here. You can also check mark "Don't ask again" on this device, and it will let you sign in a lot easier next time. And so we're going to hit next. It might ask you, hey, you can do fingerprint, face, or any other screen lock to verify it's you. So if prompted, just skip all of these steps as they are not necessary. And so then it's going to swing me over to the actual Gmail page, and we're going to be able to see all of the mail for this Gmail. And that's it. So that's basically how you can sign in to Gmail account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.